Okay, in this lecture we will see how to assign the properties to the beam and also how to give the support to the structure. Okay, so we have to go to support option here. From here just go to support, create the support, and we are using the fixed one. Okay, generally in building we use the fixed supports for foundation. So we have created the support. Just go to front view. Okay, or the elevated view, elevation view, and select this below node. Okay, so all node has been selected in foundation, and we have to assign to selected nodes. Yeah, assigned. So all the supports has been applied to the structure. Now we will go to properties. Okay, so we are going to give the beam and column sizes. Sorry. Okay, from here you can go to that option define. So for now I'm going to take the rectangle column. If you want to take the circle, then you can provide the diameter of that, but I'm going to take the rectangle column. Okay, YD. So if you are taking the column, this was the YD. So YD will be from this side. Okay, in and ZD will be from this side. Okay, so we are going to provide it as at the initial size, that is 225, take it as 230. Okay, and 300. Okay, because as IS code also told to take minimum size of column as 12 inch into 9 inch. If it is only on ground floor, then you can go for 9 inch into 9 inch, but I am taking it as a minimum dimension as IS code has been provided us. You can check in IS 456. Okay, I am also taking the G+2 story building. That's why I am taking it as a minimum 9 inch into 12 inch. It was in mm, so 1 inch is equal to 25 inch or mm. So we have multiplied that. So add, close. Here I am selected this option column. You can also give the beam sizes. So rectangular. YD is the depth of the beam. Okay, so just take it as 230 into 300. Okay, if you don't want to take it as 300, just take it as 230. If the structure will fit, then we can increase the size after that also. Okay, the beam size will depend how much distance is provided between the columns. Okay, what is the length of the beam, so we can calculate from there. Code is also guided us how to create the beam and column size. I made the Excel sheet for one of my projects. So if you length of the beam will be around 3 meter, it cantilever or simply support. If it is simply supported, मतलब कि, means if it is only supported on two beams, then we want to go for simply supported. If it is on continuous beam, so we will take it the of as 26. So we have taken it as 26 I5 option 3, because my plan was continuous. So the total depth value was coming after adding the cover was 180 mm, around 7.5 inches. So this was the minimum, but what IS code has told us to take the minimum of 9 inch into 9 inch sizes of beam. After that we can provide the load also. So from here you can select the minimum sizes, but if it is coming 7 inch into 5 inch. So we can go for the minimum size that as code has told us, that is 9 inch and depth was 12 inch. So that's what I am taking. I am taking a 9 inch and into 9 inch. Okay, 9 inch into 9 inch, and that was 230 by 230. Exact was 225, but I am taking as 230 by 230. Okay, just select the first one. We have to go to select option, beam parallel to y-axis. So these columns are selected. This software don't have the option for column and beam, so software only know both as a beam. So we have to told to software which one is we have to select. So that's why I'm going to beam parallel to y-axis. So it was selected the vertical one. So already selected this option and assigned to selected beam. So we assign the columns. Okay, and if you select the all beams, now every column is selected. Then this was also the option, go to select by inverse beam selection. So all beams will be selected by itself. Okay, but you have to change this option first. See, that's why it was unselected. Or you can go simply from here, beam parallel to x-axis, and select beam parallel to z-axis. Okay, from here also it was selected, but in sometimes in complicated or bigger structure you can go for that option also. Assign to selected beam, I have assigned the, so you can check in rendered view also. See, I already assigned the view. Okay, so in next lecture we will see how to assign the loads and how to offset the beam. Okay, thank you.